Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini. Getting started with Gemini on your S24 Ultra is straightforward. First, ensure your device's software is up to date. You can typically access Gemini by swiping up from the bottom of your screen or by long pressing the power button, depending on your settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup, which usually takes less than 1 minute. This involves agreeing to terms and customizing your initial preferences for a personalized experience. Gemini offers several powerful features to enhance your daily tasks. One standout is Circle to Search, allowing you to long press the home button and circle any on-screen item to instantly search for information. You can also engage in natural, conversational AI to get answers, summarize documents, or even draft emails. Gemini seamlessly integrates with many of your existing applications, providing smart suggestions and assistance across your device for a truly connected experience. To truly master Gemini, explore its advanced customization options. You can fine-tune its responses by adjusting the tone and style within the settings menu, making interactions more personal. Leverage Gemini for more complex productivity tasks, such as summarizing lengthy articles or even helping to brainstorm creative ideas. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings to manage data usage and ensure your personalized experience aligns with your preferences, giving you full control. For a consistently smooth Gemini experience, keep a few best practices in mind. If you encounter any minor glitches, a simple device restart often resolves them quickly. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection, as many of Gemini's features rely on cloud processing for optimal performance. Finally, regularly check for and install updates for both the Gemini application and your S24 Ultra's operating system to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.